It's Sunday morning here at Weston Beach Race. Saturday was winded off. Normally we race on a Saturday. Barriers are blown over, things are blown over. Early start, 8:30. Massive shout out to IHL and all of the team managing to get the track together, but they've managed to make it happen. We're all out today. Let's see what happens. It's an hour and a half race. Let's send it. Favourite section, there's a couple of loops to actually get all four wheels off the ground. It's pretty good. A few sections are tricky, but once you got 3 or 4 laps under, you're fine, you're away, and you just keep it going. Pretty pleased. I'm pleased with the result. 5th in class. Had an absolute nightmare of a start, got caught up in the traffic, just got into the groove. It was a short race, but well done to IHL. We made it work. Another finish at Weston, which is the main thing. See you next time.